Hey everyone, I am working on Terraform template for my project. This is the first time I'm writing something this big, so it's actually a pretty interesting learning experience for me. As you know, Terraform commands are pretty lengthy, like terraform, plan, or terraform, apply, auto, approve. It's pretty tedious to write it every single time, so I wanted to introduce aliases. Um, there's also the PowerShell in my VS Code, but I only made it work for BashShell yet. So I actually found this cool list of aliases at this GitHub, 0-bit terraform aliases. The full list of aliases is like this, and there is actually installation instructions here. Yeah. So let me actually quickly show you. So the first thing you want to do is you want to grab the URL, and you want to basically go into your home directory, and you want to do curl, and you want to basically put all of them into the exact same terraform aliases, right? You want to put them in the same hidden file .terraform-aliases. Now I've already done this. After you've done this, the only thing you have to do is you have to go to your bashrc or bashprofile. Now, as you know, bash can run in various modes. It could be run in interactive, non-interactive way, and the login, non-login way. Not going to go into detail, but basically saying this is running as an interactive login shell. Interactive login shell, which means if I want to automatically load my aliases and basically all of my settings, I will not be looking at bashrc. I will actually be looking at bashprofile. So bashprofile is where my settings will be loaded from. So I go to my bashprofile, and yeah, just like it says here, I copy this line and I put it into my bashprofile here. And the only thing you have to do is you just do something like source, which activates it. Now let me show you really quickly how this works. So let's say there is lots of unformatted code, Terraform code, and it kind of looks nasty. So we want to do something like terraform fmt, right? Terraform fmt, and it formats it, right? This is the standard way of doing it. Now, since I've already have made my aliases active, I can just do tff and it does so automatically, which is really cool. And likewise, all of these commands now, all of these lengthy commands are just aliases. So if I want to create Terraform workspace, I'll be going like tfw, tfe, like for example, tfv is validate. So it checks if my code is valid, success, right? Again, really handy. Good luck.